Whoa, hey. Whoa, hey. Whoa, hey. I'm Jaime Levy, UX strategist. Hold on. Whoa, hey. I'm Jaime Levy, UX strategist, university professor, and author of this best-selling book by O'Reilly Media, UX Strategy. It's about the intersection of UX design and business strategy. So I'm really excited to announce that the UX Lions are bringing me out to Melbourne, Australia for a one-time workshop where you'll learn hands-on techniques to conduct product strategy. Reserve your spots soon because time is running out. Later, gotta finish my hike.